Hello everyone! Today we'll be showing you how to make a Shirley Temple drink.
There are 3 ingredients you need to make a Shirley Temple, and those ingredients are ginger ale, grenadine, and cherries.
Okay, first step, we will be pouring the ginger ale in 2 glasses. Then a bit of grenadine. Then we drop in a cherry. How much you want depends on how you are. We'll just put in 2 for each. You stir this all in together.
In the final step, you enjoy.
Delicious. Please like,
Subscribe.
and comment.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.